Irma Bombeck said, if you can laugh at it, you can live with it. Are you sensitive about something? When people tease you, does it bother you? Well, it's smart to come up with a comeback. Here's my favorite example. I'm in the San Francisco airport. There's a very tall man coming the opposite direction. I can't believe it. There are people in front of me pointing at him and laughing. I'm thinking, how rude. When he got closer, I could see why they were laughing. He had on a t-shirt in very large letters that said, "No, I'm not a basketball player." Well, I had to catch up with this fun food black belt, so I jumped off the people mover. I caught up with him. I said, "This is brilliant. How did you come up with this?" He said, "Oh, I didn't come up with it. My mom did." He said, "I grew a foot between the time I was 13 and 16 years old. I didn't even want to go outside because everyone had to make smart aleck remarks. My mom finally said, 'If you can't beat 'em, join 'em.' He said, 'This is nothing. I've got a whole drawer full of these up at home.' He said, 'Ever since I've started wearing these shirts, I have had fun with my height instead of being frustrated by my height.' Bingo. Are you sensitive about something? You can have fun with it, or you can be frustrated by it. Come up with a comeback, and now you too can be a fun foo black belt."